As a business owner, you want your business to be successful, and that may mean growing your business or maybe even scaling your business. There are many business owners who think that growing and scaling your business are the same, but in fact, there are some pretty significant differences. In today's podcast episode, I'm walking you through the differences between growing and scaling your business, as well as some of the major points that you need to consider when you're ready to scale your business. While there's no one specific formula or steps to follow when you scale your business, since every business is different, you want to make sure that you're aware of the common things to implement and consider when you're ready to scale. Having these items on your radar as you're running your business, whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, will help you as you progress your business's growth and get ready to scale your business. By understanding the difference between growing and scaling your business, you'll be able to strategically set your business up for success. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support, with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. When you started your business, did you have dreams that one day your business would be a huge success? What does that success look like for you? Many businesses have plans from the start to grow their business, but others want to take their business one step further and scale to another level of success. Having an understanding of what the difference between growing and scaling your business will not only help your business as you're growing, but it will help you set up your business so that you're able to scale in the future. I'll start off by explaining the difference between growing and scaling a business. Growing your business is when your business is increasing its revenues, but it's also increasing costs by utilizing more resources to handle the growth. Scaling, on the other hand, is when your business has the ability to grow your revenues at a faster rate than taking on or increasing your costs. You're able to bring in more money without incurring additional efforts or expenses. For example, if you were a personal trainer offering one-on-one training and you experience an increase of revenue of $25,000, you already have a full schedule of clients, which means that you'll need to hire additional personal trainers to help you handle this influx of revenues for your one-on-one training. Your expenses will increase in proportion to your revenues, which means that your business has indeed grown, but it hasn't scaled. Suppose, on the other hand, you are preparing your personal training business to scale. In that case, you may offer group training sessions where you could easily increase your revenues while maintaining your expenses, since you could continue to provide the group sessions without hiring any additional help. Being able to add additional revenue and increase the demands in your business while maintaining your costs will allow you to scale. Scaling is part of growing your business, but it means that your gains are greater than your losses and you've improved your profit margins. Ultimately, you want to make sure that you have a business plan, a strategic marketing plan, and be able to forecast your future growth. You'll want to have a plan in place with goals and milestones that you'll reach all along the way. You'll want to create a budget for where you are now all the way through each goal that you want to reach. You'll want to make sure that as you're scaling, that you're consistently increasing your sales and your expenses are not increasing in proportion to your growth. Before you start, you'll need to know where your business is right now and where you want the vision of your future business to be. Next, you'll need to know how will you get your business to where you want it to be while staying true to your vision and your purpose. You'll want to have a sales strategy that is profitable, easy to repeat, and can ultimately scale. When you're scaling your business, you need to be ready to problem solve and overcome any failures along the way. You need to use your failures as a way to improve your processes, have a positive mindset, and always be ready to pivot or change your strategy to achieve your success. This is one of the areas that many of my clients want to work with me on in their businesses. Being able to utilize a failure to your advantage can be hard when you're running your business by yourself. It's hard to not take that failure personally and see the possibilities and the potential on your own. Together, my clients and I are often able to work through and overcome these failures, in addition to finding solutions that continue to move them and their businesses forward and get them back on track. You need to have the right mindset. You need to be committed to growth, and you need to have the ambition to follow your plans to scale your business. Having a solid foundation is necessary before you scale your business. First, let's talk about the product or the service that you offer in your business. You'll want to build your product or service Establish a market to generate sales and then scale. If you have a service-based business or a business with little or no inventory and low overhead, it will be much easier to scale. But if you have a supply chain, make sure that they can keep up with your new demands when you're scaling. And if they're not able to, make sure that you have an alternative or plans for your future scaling. Make sure that your product or service and the delivery methods of them are solid. If you need to make improvements, make sure that you do this prior to scaling so that you don't run into a huge problem down the road. Your onboarding system should be smooth while creating exactly the right experience for your customers. Listen to your customers, your employees, and your community and ask for feedback to see if there are any problems and fix them so that you can continue to have a positive customer satisfaction rate. Focus on your customer and be a leader in your industry to deliver exactly what your customer wants. You'll often discover your business finds a niche that generates revenues for the business as you focus on specializing in a specific area. Take time to look at your business through the eyes of your customer. Go through every process that your customer goes through and ensure that you're satisfied with the results. You never want to lose a customer due to lack of customer service, and client retention will allow you to generate additional sales. It's much more expensive to acquire a new customer than it is to retain an existing customer. You'll want to make sure that you're creating efficient processes for everything that you do in your business to get more done in less or the same amount of time as you're scaling. Utilize technology whenever you can. You should have processes documented so that anyone in the business can complete them without needing instructions from others. This would include your customer support, IT, technology, marketing, and your sales processes. Make sure that you have a good communication system as well as a customer relationship management and project management or workflow automation systems. Each of your processes should generate maximum productivity and should be standardized and repeatable. Make sure that you test each of your processes to see if they will work on a larger scale, and if not, look into solutions that will work and grow with you as you scale. Lastly, make sure that you have a team in place to help you scale. Hire or outsource your team strategically. Where do you need the most help? Where are your weaknesses? Chances are, when scaling, you won't be able to do everything on your own. Think about the team you want to create and work with for not only sales, but your vendors or other suppliers as well. You also want to make sure that you have your finances covered, from your bookkeeping and understanding your financial statements to finding investors and financial institutions that you want to work with. You want a team that you can work with to handle all of the major tasks in your growth stage and ensure that they're ready to take on additional revenues without needing to add a significant number of additional team members to sustain the growth. Once you have an existing team that can handle future growth, you're ready to scale. Try to set your team up so that your business could run without you. This goes back to delegating and ensuring that you have a team that you can count on with processes that are documented. Always ask your team if there's a way to improve the processes that you have and be more efficient. Although there is no one specific formula or set of steps to take when you scale your business, since every business is different, these common things to implement and consider when you're ready to scale will improve your success considerably. If you feel like you need additional help with your business finances, business strategy, or you find you're holding your business back with the wrong mindset and you're unable to grow your business or scale your business to meet the vision that you have for it in the future, let's talk. Sign up for one of my free consultation sessions and we'll take a look at where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself in the future. Sometimes you just need someone from outside of your business to look inside and help you see where you could take steps to improve. I'm excited to announce that my 100th podcast episode is coming up in the next few weeks. To celebrate, I'm giving away a 4-week business strategy and coaching package to one of my lucky podcast listeners. My one-on-one business strategy and coaching sessions really help clients get specific about what they need to work on to reach the next level in their business. In each session, we work together to make plans specific to your business and create a plan to follow through on your intentions. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you to push through and stop limiting yourself with the success that you could be achieving in your business. Whether you're unsure of the next steps that you need to make, you want to get more sales but you're unsure how to do it, or you need to gain a deeper understanding of your business finances so that you can be more profitable, I can help. Clients come to me because they know that I'm knowledgeable in both the financial aspect of business as well as how important it is to have a strategy and work through your mindset and whatever is holding you back from reaching the highest vision that you have for yourself and your business. By helping you make the right decisions and holding you accountable so that you follow through with your plans, you get to see your results much faster. You could be seeing success like this in your business. If you'd like to be entered in the drawing for the 4-week one-on-one coaching package I'm giving away, you need to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions by September 3rd, 2022. I always offer these free consultation sessions, but when you sign up for one of my free consultation sessions from now through September 3rd, 2022, you could also be the winner of the 4-week business strategy and coaching package I'm giving away. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your session. During this consultation, we'll spend up to an hour together going over where you currently are in your business, where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future, and take action to get you started on the path to success. You'll walk away with action steps so that you can start moving forward in your business right away. If you're already a one-on-one client of mine, that's not a problem. Just let me know that you'd like to be entered into the drawing on our next call, and you'll also have a chance to win. I've been helping business owners and bookkeepers achieve their goals for over 25 years, and it's the best feeling when I see the joy it brings my clients when they follow through with their aspirations. I'm looking forward to meeting you in a consultation session soon. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.